The Cockroach Janata Party has warned that it will restart its nationwide agitation if the centre fails to provide a written assurance by July 28 on withdrawing criminal cases against protesters. At a press conference, CJP spokespersons Ashutosh Ranka and Saurav Das said the assurance was promised during talks before the 36th-day Jantar Mantar protest was suspended on July 25th. The party said the centre had agreed to withdraw all FIRs against protesters and organisers, ensure no fresh cases were filed, and provide the commitment in writing. CJP urged the government to honour the agreement by releasing all detainees, withdrawing pending cases, and preventing any retaliatory action. The party warned that any failure to fulfill these promises would amount to a betrayal of the trust placed in the government by lakhs of young students. Meanwhile, Bihar police said 694 people were detained during the July 25th Bandh over the NEET paper leak. Of them, 339 were minors and students who were released after age verification, while the remaining 355 are facing trial. Later, the Bihar government announced that it would withdraw cases registered against students and said no punitive or retaliatory action would be taken against those who participated in the protest before 6 p.m. on July 26th. In West Bengal, 16 people were arrested, with police invoking the state's anti-Gunda law for the first time. The CJP also alleged that protesters in Assam were being targeted. The party further claimed that an Instagram account that hosted several viral protest videos had been taken down, while many creators reported that videos documenting alleged police brutality had also been removed.